So, ito na nga. So, this will be the first time that I'll be talking alone. Hindi pala first time talking alone. Ano ba gagawin ko? Ayun. So, pasensya na. Hindi pa nakakapaglaba or papadala din sa laundry. Kapaglaba ko 2 piraso lang today. But, ano ba to? Okay. So, today, dahil madami akong pinrint out, yes, I did a lot of printing. Yeah. Yan, the brightness. Yeah. So, say hello to that plant. Nakita ko lang na may space dun sa taas at may pwedeng paghang. Ayun na yun, may nakaganon. Hindi ko alam kung ano nakahang dun dati. Siguro yung mga nakatira dito dati nilagay nila. But anyway, ayun. I figured out na, maghang na lang tayo ng halaman. I mean, ako pala. And then, nakita nung asawa ko last night. Sabi niya, nakaka-bother daw yung halaman. Kasi, it's not actually at the middle of the room. But, as you can see, yan. Ayan. Diba? Hindi siya bagay, actually. At walang magawa yung asawa ko. Yan, tambak yung kailangan. Narinisin dito sa loob ng kwarto. Anyway, so why am I doing this? Wala lang. Katatapos lang namin manood ng Can't Buy Me Love sa baba at ano ba? Maiinis ka lang minsan sa turn of events. Pero okay na din na magkasama si Caroline at si Bingo. Nagamotor. For the past few days, I've been wondering what to do with my time when I am not ano ba to? I'm not doing ikot-ikot sa shops. So, we have 2. Yung isa sa MSC na so far, ngayon ay challenging ang pag tawag nun, what's the word? Wala na. Nasa dulo ng dila ko. Challenging yung sa mismong shop kasi ang mga estudyante is nasa bahay nila, well, because of masyadong mainit, plus the fact that holidays and almost everyone is working from home and it's not full face-to-face pa. So, yun, it's a challenge for the sales. And then the other one is sa Expo. We're still at the Expo. Coffee Essential still at the Expo. And also challenge because not everyone knows that we also have one at the Expo. At the same time, people would ask yung kanina yung tricycle driver na nasakyan ko dahil hindi ako nagmotor dahil sobrang init. Sabi niya, meron mo pala doon sa Expo. Sabi ko, kuya, doon kami sa dulo, yung Coffee Essentials. Yeah. Kalakasan niya wala na ng mga tao. Meron pa din naman. Right now, merong event. Mga gawa ng ating mga kababayan. I actually finished a snack of arrowroot cookies. I also bought this coaster. This. Made from Nito. There. Flexing this. It's so nice, right? I think mahirap gumawa nito. I'm wondering how. Oh no, that's my pen. It fell down. Sana wag mo putol-putol. This is my pen. It's what I bought during the time na ako ay nag-duty pa in the dialysis. But now, because I don't have a job anymore, we've decided that I will rest first. Right, I'll rest first. So, yan. So, this, yan. It's made from Nito. It's so nice. I think they're from Gasan. Kung taga saan yung tatay ko, Gasan. Yan. And then I have another bag. I think they're from Gasan too. So, tada! It's so nice. It's just 140 pesos. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Ito yung pinili ko kasi nag-iisa siya na black. Black ba? Basta darker color. It's not black. But dark in color. Tapos sabi ni na ma'am na nandun is ano daw siya. Talagang pinili noong nag-design na black para maganda. Ano, it has a design like may mata. Joke. But anyway, yan. So recently, ayun, yun lang naman yung binili ko kanina plus dalawang Nito again, yung malaki parang placemat, but you can also use it as a design. Pwede siya bilog-bilog. I'm thinking of buying again if I have enough budget for that. I have to ask my husband first because I don't have my own right now. Well, anyway, ayan. So, walang kakape pa din ako. This is Liberica, by the way. You can see. Oop, don't spill. Ayan, there. Ano ba yung sasabihin ko? Ayun. So, why am I doing this and why am I video recording myself? First is because this past few days, yung nasabi ko kanina, I've been printing out because yung printer namin ay gumana na naman. I've been printing out stuff from Canva actually. And I came across this 30-day self-care challenge. This or that. So, hindi ko siya inedit. And, sabi dito sa 30-day self-care challenge, what's this? Do something spontaneous. Because ako ay very impulsive. Yes, I know I am. Self-awareness, number 1. I'm an impulsive buyer. So, whenever we go to a department store or a simple, sari-sari store, yung kasama ka asawa ko, would choose and buy stuff that out of impulse. Not necessarily in the checklist. Guilty. Well, anyway, sabi siya, do something spontaneous. Okay? Do something spontaneous. I love the spontaneity. Spontaneity. Bahala kayo mag-spell. Ayun, about it. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that I will not edit this. I will post this in YouTube. Out of the spontaneity. Oo, bahala kayo mag-spelling at naintindihan nyo din naman yun. Pareho din yun. Ayun, so, ipopost ko to without even editing it. Diba? Because it's spontaneous. Diba? I am pretty sure that I also have previous video logs like this. I'm just talking to myself because wala akong makausap. My husband is having his work downstairs. I asked him if he can actually plug in my Mink. By the way, wait. I'll show you my Mink. Hold on. Sandali. I'll get it. Tada! So, this is my Mink. Yan, Mink, yung color, yung suot ko. Sorry. There. Color Mink. No, not kidding, but it's really Mink, Mink. M-I-N-C. Mini Mink. Because there's a larger one like this. Ano ba ginagawa ng Mink? Heidi Swap. Yan. This past mm, years before the pandemic, 2017, I've started with the planner soiree. And even before that, I have friends from the planner community. Shout out sa inyo dyan. Um, kay na Mars Ro, kay na Doc Tina, Doc Ajan, yan. Um, yun, and a lot more. You know who you are, guys, kay Chi. Hi. Um, yeah, I miss them. But anyway, I have this mini mink. I'm not so sure saan ko nga ito nakuha. Saan nga ba? Um, was it given to me? Because I'm pretty sure I didn't buy this, or was it included in a loot bag? And the planners where I'm not so sure. But yeah, I know the scotch was given to me by Chi, but this one I forgot where I got it. But I'm really thankful that I got this. It's actually you can I just found out in YouTube that you can laminate using this. Yeah. Kaya I asked my husband to plug it in kasi I'm going to laminate Papa's picture in my wedding with Papa and Mama. Which is this one. I'll show you. But yun nga, this one is used, may mga foiling, so you can foil stuff. Basta maganda. Maganda to. I'm actually planning to sell this. Kino-convince ko pa yung sarili ko whether or not to sell this. But I've just used this for like twice or thrice. Thrice. Patawa, thrice. Yan. So, yeah, so I'm planning to sell this. I'm convincing myself to half pa lang eh. So, yeah, yun lang. Ang hirap mag-let go ng planner things, you know. Yes. So this is the one that I'm telling you that I'm going to laminate. This one. This. So it's actually because I printed out stuff. This is the daily routine that I have. So morning, afternoon, and evening. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to laminate this and check using ano nga ni yun? Yung whiteboard marker. Yan. Yun, para I can erase. Diba? And that one. I think this will help me with having good habits actually. Hirap procrastinating. It's hard. So, it's mind over the body. No? This is also the one that I'll be laminating. This one. Bakit ganun yung color? This is Papa. Naglagay siya ng chicken kay Taba Choy. That's Taba. Taba is Ganda and Noah's son na the only one na heavy boned or big boned. Looks like 100% Labrador. Noah is 100% Lab. Ganda is a mixture. Mixture. Marami siyang si Nauno and si na Chinchin. So, iba-iba. Husky, Lab, and St. Bernard. Yun. So, kaya medyo malalaki silang aso. This is Papa. Yeah, that's my Papa. He's with the Lord now. Oh, naiyak na yan. But anyway, yan. Siya si Papa. He's actually ano yun? Inahimay niya yung chicken para kay Taba because Taba loves chicken. And nagmana siya kay Ganda. Yan. So, Ganda is the mother. Yan. So, that's Papa. I'm going to laminate this. And also this is actually, may magandang version nito. May magandang nito. Sabi kasi ni na Isaac, hi Isaac, Raza, Stills and Motion, during this shoot, sabi nila, picture. So, dapat adikit ni na Mama at ni Papa yung ilong nila. However, si Mama, ang ganda na siya kaya siya. Nakasmile. Si Papa nakala lang. Look at that. Why did I print this out? It's because And not the other one na naka ganun. Kasi wala lang, it's funny, plus the fact that I really miss my father. So, ayan o, ang funny. Dinikit lang ng tatay kay ilong niya. Nakamulat. Anyway. Masunurin kasi talaga siya, masunurin. O, yan. O, yan. O, diba? Yung nanay ko parang, amoy, mabango yung ano ko yung tatay ko. O. Yan. Yan. So, this was, in 2019. Yeah. 2019, before, the wedding. It was December 28th, when we're in, ginising pa ako ni Nicolas Noel para gumising, of course, para so that I can get up, dahil late ako, if you can hear that, it's actually ganda knocking, gusto niya dahil malamig din, naka-aircon. Finally, thank you Lord for the blessing. Ayun, so yeah. Ano ba ang gusto niyong malaman? Actually, don't know kung ano gusto niyong malaman. Pero ako, I got to share. Yun. So, ito na nga, yung 30-day self-care challenge. Balik tayo dito. Ang gulo ng thoughts ko, no? Yan. So, the 30-day self-care challenge. I do something spontaneous. So, I'll take this off. Wow, take. Anyway, yan. So, I'll put May 1. 2024. So, what did I do? Vlog. And then, I'll upload this in YouTube. It's actually, 16. Grabe, 16 minutes na ako nag-aingay mag-isa. Yan. Ayan. So, by the way, I'm unemployed. I find it funny. Bakit I find it funny? Wala lang, hindi kasi ako sanay na wala akong inagawa. So, most probably, yeah, I'm still praying for what the Lord will be doing. That's ganda. Sabi niya, buksan mo to. I mean, I'm praying, balik tayo, for what the Lord is going to do with me, actually, in my career. I don't know. I actually don't know. But, the promise is, sabi sa Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Yes. So, that's a promise, and pinangahawakan ko yun. And for those of you who are like me, unemployed, or you might be thinking, ano ba naman to, nakakapagod naman, or ang init-init, pero kailangan magtrabaho. You know, in perseverance, there will always be a blessing that's coming from the Lord. Just persevere. If you have plans, wag mong sarilihin yung plano mo. Ako, I have plans, but I have to make it a point that it's the papanalangin ko muna yun kay Lord. Ganda yun. Again. Papanalangin ko muna yun kay Lord. And I have to. Because what are those plans if ako lang, 'di ba? Sabi nga, I am nothing. 'Di ba? I am nothing without the Lord. 'Di ba? So kailangan kasama natin si Lord lagi. Sa plano sa buhay, lahat, you know, even in actually, in going places, diba? For example, if I'm going to ride, magda-drive lang ako, I have to make it a point that I pray first before I drive my motorcycle. Or when my husband goes to Manila, or whenever he would drive, every time, I would pray that the Lord will keep him safe, especially if hindi din ako kasama. So, yun. And I trust the Lord for that. And anyway, so it's a 30-day self-care challenge, and I will be starting May 1. I hope that I can do this in full commitment. Just a few things that I that I want to share. I wrote it down already. That one. Yes, see that vlog. May um sige, I'll tell you. Um it doesn't necessarily mean that if it's like this, oh, yun ang susundin mo. No, it's not. I mean, love the spontaneity. So, 30-day self-care challenge. I got this from Canva. Thank you so much for that person or for the team that made this, and thank you, Canva. By the way, this is not paid by Canva, this vlog. Basta I'd like to share lang this. Take a 10-minute mindful work. That's one. Write down 3 things you are grateful for. So, I have been grateful for a lot of things. But of course, I'll settle it for 3 lang. Masunurin tayo. Cook a healthy meal for yourself. Today, I cooked danggit. Where did I bought that danggit? In the expo. Kasi nga, ang daming... May fair ngayon eh. I think it's... Ano ba to? Yeah. I forgot. Basta nakita ko lang yun that parang agri-fair. Parang ganon. And our kababayans, our Marinduqueños, have their ano ba tawag dito? Their products. And it's so nice. Yung pinakita ko kanina, yung Nito, if I can only buy more, I would. But, you know, on a tight budget, I can't. Right? Saka na, if I have extra. But I know where to find them because they have those tarpaulins and they're from Buena Vista, from Gasan, all over Marinduque. We only have 6 towns. It's small, you know, but I would love to tour myself around. Yes, tourist yarn. Yun, I would want to get to know more about our little province, but you know, the people here have big hearts. Yeah. Oh, it's nice. There are hearts. It's so nice. Oh, if you can see this, if I uploaded this, amazing. In photo booth, if you do this, they'll show you hearts. Anyway, yun. Uy, galing ah. Ayun ko lang nalaman yun. O, diba? Because sabi, do something spontaneous. O, that one too. Nagulat ako. Anyway, so yun. I live in Marinduque and we have 6 towns. Okay. Naririnig nyo ba yung nasa labas? Okay. Oh, yun. Sports car. Plus the music. I don't know if you can kung naririnig dito sa video, but anyway, yeah. I'm going back to this. Spend 20 minutes meditating. Of course, I need to do that again because guilty again. I haven't been meditating for the past few months. Yeah. When a patient of mine gave me our daily bread, thank you. Namimiss ko talaga kayo dyan. You know who you are. If you've watched this video, you would know who you are. But if you will watch pala, you've watched. If you will watch. But you know, I'm really grateful for those people that I've met during my course of clinical duties. Yes. Kasi natuwa ako because I got to meet other, you know, individuals, people that I was able to share life with. Amazing people. So shout out sa aking mga co-nurses and our dear patients and doctors. Hi po. If you ever get to see this, hi. I miss you all. Anyway, going back. Sabi sa spend 20 minutes meditating. I have to do that. Write a letter to your future yarn. Future self. Sabi ko, bulol talaga ako. Pa-English, pa-Tagalog, bulol. Write a letter to your future self. I will. Practice deep breathing for 10 minutes. Wow, 10 minutes. Grabe yun. Call or meet a friend for a heart-to-heart talk. So, kapag ako biglang tumawag sa inyo, okay, mga kaibigan, if pag tawag ako sa inyo, heart-to-heart talk yun na. So, please. Take a break from your mobile phone for the entire day. I can actually do this because there was a time I forgot my phone and I do not have anything na like mobile whatsoever. Wala. Meron pala. But not the mobile phone. I have my watch which is connected. It can connect to the internet. So, kapag may nag-message pala sa akin, I can see yun. Anyway, but it's not, it's not a mobile phone. So, I'm not really attached to my phone. Actually, gusto ko nga lang yung mga 3310 dati. But, of course, now it's better for communication. But, I can see my phone na talagang pang calls. Even, pero yung calls, it gives me anxiety. I'm anxious if biglang may tatawag. Really. Plus the fact that it's just a number. No. I'd rather chat or message. Baka pumunta na yung asawa ka dito. Sabi niya, ginagawa mo. So, try a new yoga pose. I don't do yoga, but maybe it's time for me to do it. Wala akong yoga mat. Meron actually, kaso nasira. Kasi ginawang scratching pose ng mga pusa. Take a long, relaxing bath. I will. Visit a park or natural reserve. I will. Madami ditong magagandang tanawin dito sa Marinduque. I just hope that those trees lined up na nakalagay yung mga numbers ay hindi na nila putulin. Lalo na dun sa may Balaring. Nalulungkot talaga ako na baka mawala yan. But I hope wag. Can we save it? I hope and pray na hindi na nila putulin yun. Maybe for road widening, but yeah, nakakalungkot. Because we need trees. And those are acacia trees. And it's been there for decades. I'm pretty sure I'm not yet born when it was planted there. Or maybe, I'm 30-something. 30-something. For those people who know me, they know my age. So, hi guys. Hello mga kaibigan. Listen to your favorite music. Spend time with a pet. Lagi naman. Do a random act of kindness. Say no to a commitment you're not excited about. Write a happy... My husband will be here. Write a happy memory. Try a new hobby or revisit an old one. I am doing a video. I'll upload this. I'll upload this. Bye-bye. Papa, I'll upload this. Huwag kang magulo dyan. Raw. Upload ko to ng raw. Huwag kang magulo. Hindi ako mag-edit. What's your favorite movie? Okay. I'm not so sure what's my favorite movie right now. Pero we've watched Can't Buy Me Love because it's our favorite series. Huh? What's our favorite movie, Papa? Ano?
Ano sa akin ay V for Vendetta.
V for Vendetta daw sa kanya. We cannot watch that because it should be my favorite movie. Ayan, ano na? Natatawa ako.
Hindi mo kita dyan.
Hindi naman kita. Hindi nga. Hindi kita, Papa. Hindi. Wait, hold on. Yan. Makita niyo yung mga lamog namin. Bala kayo sa Mount Everest. Well, anyway. Okay. So, go. Natatawa. What are you doing? Sorry. Hindi ko kasi talaga ito yan. So, natatawa na lang ako. Go to bed half an hour earlier. I'm not so sure. Ayan. I'm not so sure kung ano yung hour earlier na yun dahil ako ay na go to bed minsan 9 o'clock. Yun na. Because Lola mode on. Ayan, tapos do something spontaneous and that spontaneous is this vlog. Buy yourself a small gift. I'm not so sure whether I would be able to do this in a few days or so. Read a chapter of a book. Okay, chapter of a book. Kanina may dala akong book kaso hindi ko pa rin matapos yung isang chapter. Paano si bag ko? Ano to na? Bot mo naman yung bag ko, please. Yan. Sige, thank you. Because, sabi nga ng asawa ko, there's a universe inside my bag. And that's true. Ayan. So, I'll show you the book. Tada! Yan. Diba? It's so nice. So, for those of you, Jobs, you know this. Diba? The Porpoise. Mark Haddon, The Porpoise. So, I haven't, kita nyo naman. Ito, yan. This one came from Mrs. P. I think. Yeah. Nung bumili ako ng leather na para sa aking Midori. Traveler's notebook pages. So, this is a traveler's notebook. Yeah. I'm so happy I can show you some of my hobbies. Anyway, yeah, I have this. So, for those people who knew me and has this up here, diba? I got this from Doc Tina, if I'm correct. Tama ba, Doc? Well, anyway, basta I got this from a D-Stash for only 1,000 pesos. Yeah. Mura yun, for those of you who know Traveler's Notebook. Gusto ko yung olive, but I don't have the money to buy. So, I don't have, nahurlog. Anyway, still, dito sa The Porpoise, nandun pa lang ako sa, gosh, look at this. I'm on page 5. Diba? And I have these notes so that I would know who are the characters. Victor is the pilot, Philip is the husband, Maha is the wife of Victor. Ayun, yun pa lang. And I have to reread the whole chapter again. I mean, the first few pages of the chapter. Grabe. 4 pa lang ako. Again, because I forgot kung ano na yung mga scene. Kaya dapat talaga kapag nagbabasa ng libro, isang diretsyo. Diba? Para you have, the trail of, yung mga scenes, movie. Basta, yung mga nangyayari. Yan. So, I think, if for the read the chapter of a book, sana naman, mabasa ko kahit isang chapter man lang. Mark Haddon, The Porpoise. Si Tony, nagbigay sa akin, Tony, hi! Basta kita. Magkape na tayo. Ingat sa duty. The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Nighttime. She gave me that book and I'm looking for it. Di ko makita since naglipat kami ng bahay again. So, I have to find it because nasimulan ko din yun, hindi ko pa din natatapos. Okay. I have lots of books here. Legit. So, I have to put it here. Kakainis, no? Dami kong books but I haven't wala pa ako na-finish. So sad. So, this is Stanley, A Trick of Light, and, Stanley's and Kat Rosenfield, A Trick of Light. So, yan. Hindi ko pa din siya nasisimulan. There. A few years ago, when I was still, I think I bought this in CCF, yung PCBS na place nila dun. Yeah, it's a cat and dog theology. I read a few pages, but I forgot again, so I have to reread it. I'm showing you the books that I have here. And it's Not About Me by Max Lucado. Lucado ba? Basta, si Max. Yan. So, sino ang nagpabili sa akin nito? Si Buddy. Hi, Bud. Hope you're okay. So, it's not about me. Sa kanya ko to nakita. Oh, I saw something. Nakaipit. This, Happy Teacher's Day. Kanino galing to? 5th October 2012. If you can see. Kita ba? There, oh. 2012. Can you see? Yan. Baka madumi yung fingernails ko, nakakahiya. Ah, nice! Came from my student. I don't know where he is right now. Si Gio. I'll read. Dear October 5, 2012, Dear Teacher Vian, you guided me, you supported me. Thanks for everything, teacher. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you. It's still here. Okay. Dahil ako sentimental na tao, hindi talaga ako nagtatapon ng mga ganito. So, dito pa yung iba. 2 is better than 1. Wow. This is nung February 1 to 28, 2013 sa Starbucks. So, I'm pretty sure this came from a planner. Which is true. 2 is better than 1. A drink alone is just a drink, but a drink with you is a special moment. Don't worry, it's my treat. You can have an espresso beverage. Amazing. Binasa ko lang. Yeah. So, I got this book last January 3, 2014. Okay. Yun. Let me read just one. Ano kaya? This is nice. Ito. Medyo dulo na to. But ang sabi dito, God lets you excel so you can make Him known. God lets you excel so you can make Him known. Nice. Tama naman, ano? You can be sure, sabi niya, and you can be sure of one thing. God will make you good at something. This is His principle. True humility and fear of the Lord lead to riches, honor, and long life. That's so good, no? Good. That can be my prayer. No? Galing ni Lord. Can make you excel. So that I can make Him known. Wow, ginawa ko personal yun. Of course. Galing. Paisip ako bigla, but you know, I'll go back to this so I can finish my spontaneity. Buy yourself a small gift. I'm done with that. Read a chapter of a book. Nasabi ko na. Try a new tea or coffee flavor. I'm very well interested with another coffee flavor. Yung hindi naman dito na sa Philippines, pero yung ibang varieties of Arabica na hindi ko pa natatry. We've tried Catimore. Okay, sorry, geeky alert for coffee. Catimore. Papa, we're done with Catimore. Ano pa? Bourbon. Ano pa? Basta merong ano parang yung ibang varieties of Arabica na gusto ko i-try. Plus yung ibang roast profile naman because I tend to do and drink medium dark, sometimes medium. Right now I bought one from Sinag. Hi po. Medium na no, it's not live, but I'm recording myself and then I'll put this in YouTube. Papa, why are you laughing? Why? I'll put this in YouTube kasi nga nakalagay, o, diba? Do something spontaneous. I'm doing something spontaneous. Bahala kayo. Kung may makinig nito, bahala na kayo. Ganito talaga. Normal ko to. My students would know. My friends would know. Anyway. Try a new tea or coffee flavor. Ayun, gusto ko i-try. But I'm not so sure whether or not I would be able to like flavored coffee. Flavored coffee. It's, the hazelnut and iba-iba. Para sa akin kasi nawawala talaga yung totoong lasa ng kape. Yeah. Anyway, spend time in the sun. How? With this? No. But it's a 30-day challenge. I have to do this within 30 days. Spend time in the sun. Para naman lagi ako nag-spend time in the sun. Probably not later than 9 o'clock. Kaya ko siguro yun. Write down 3 things you love about yourself. Oh, interesting. Let me think. Practice mindfulness while doing a daily task. You know, sometimes it's hard to do that, no? You are practicing mindfulness. Ay. Kasi I tend to do tasks in a manner that literal na multitasking. So, how can I do mindfulness with everything that's being multitasked? Anyway, sa ako na problema niya. Take the day off chores and errands. Take the day off. So, anong gagawin ko? Alam ko na. O, ting! Light bulb. Kanina, nung nanonood ako ng Eat, Pray, Love, di ko siya natapos. Sabi, dolce far niente. Oh, hindi ko alam kung tama. Bahala na kayo dyan. Dolce far niente. Ang sabi doon is the sweetness of doing nothing. Maybe I could try that for this, no? Take the day off chores and errands. Dolce far niente. Wow, dapat with the hand. Dolce far niente. Tapos, practice self-massage. Shucks, wala talagang itong kamay kong to. My patience would know. Walang diin masyado. Hirap na hirap. So, I'll try to do that. Practice nga. Do something creative. I will. And the last one on this list, the 30-day self-care challenge, is reflect on the progress you've made this month. You know, it's hard to reflect on the progress I've made this month because number 1, I'm unemployed. Well, maybe I can focus this progress in other things, no? And not be pinned down on the fact that I don't have my work right now. But I have lots of work, you know, sa bahay. Medyo na-engulf ko na, ay, sorry. There was a time, anong alagay ko doon sa aking, occupation, housewife. Diba? Amazing. Hindi ko naisip yun. But it's me right now. Ayan. So anyway, I am talking to myself and in this laptop for 42 minutes or so. So I guess I will end with what? Nasota ko lang with the prayer. Sige. I'll end this with the prayer. My prayer is that for whoever sees this and viewed this until the end, I pray that you will have a good night's sleep or a good day. I also pray that you will have that hope and that your heart's desire will be fulfilled in the perfect timing that the Lord wants you to have it. I also pray that you have reconciliation with the people that you love and peace and understanding in your families and even for yourself. I also pray that one of these days you'll smile again and that smile will be of full joy. Yan. So, bye! God bless you. Nurse V, out. Where's the heart? Where's the heart? Come on. Yeah. Good night.